So good afternoon, everyone. So today, my team and I will be presenting on our investigation of the operating system usage and administration in Supertech. Okay, so this is the Oppenheimer group. Okay. So we're presenting an overview of Supertech's IT infrastructure, and we're focusing on the operating system usage, the administration, their security measures, and other stuff. Supertech is a leading IT solution provider that serves most financial institutions in our country and government agencies and other corporations. And the goal of our study is basically to understand how they manage their operating system infrastructures and their system stability. So, an overview of the company. So Supertech specializes in cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data administration. The company is structured in key departments such as the NOC, the cybersecurity team, the data center team, and the customer support division. So they have a strategic growth that is achieved through partnership, and their proprietary cloud system, which is properly known as the super cloud, aims for global competitiveness, basically. So the operating systems that are used by Supertech, so they use both the Linux and the Windows operating system. So they actually chose the Linux operating system because of security and stability. And for the Windows operating system, they chose it because it's user-friendly, and we can all attest to that fact.
Different departments use specific OS platform based on their requirements. For the networking department, they use Linux for their security features. Then for the development teams, they use both Linux and Windows for as and when they need it and the project that they are working on. And for business and support, they use Windows because Windows is compatible with the Microsoft Office tools. Future OS adoption plans. Supertech is exploring cloud-based operating system and AI-driven operating system optimizations. They plan to adopt containerization technologies such as Kubernetes for scalability and operational flexibility. OS administration and maintenance. So a structured maintenance plan including regular health checks, patch management, and disaster recovery backups. Then they also employ AI tools to predict maintenance, enhancing system performance and reducing manual interventions. User access management involves multi-factor authorization and role-based control are implemented to protect sensitive data. So multi-factor authorization is not only using password, but also using fingerprint and facial ID to access sensitive data. Then role access control, that is a type of access granted based on your role in the company. So as the CEO can access any sensitive data for the company. But let's say for the levels of authorization, the person at the bottom cannot access what the person on a higher level can access. Then regular audit and access review ensures compliance with security policy.
Okay, so I'll take it from here. And then Supertech has a very robust security framework. So to ensure security, Supertech uses a proactive security approach by using enterprise-grade antivirus solutions, and then also using consistent patches to help mitigate threats. And also, as part of its security framework, Supertech ensures strict access control. So based on your role in the organization, you get access to certain privileges. So only authorized personnel can access certain critical systems. And to ensure stability, Supertech uses several servers to share the load so that there is system stability. So depending on how large the work is, the load will be shared across multiple servers to help ensure that there is less downtime, and then there's also continuous service availability. Next slide, please. So in troubleshooting and then monitoring the system, Supertech employs tools like Zabbix and then Sensitivity to track the health system. So it uses these tools to ensure that the system is in good shape and wouldn't face any operational faults during operations. And also it has a robust system troubleshooting process that is put in place to help diagnose bugs and then also to implement fixes. But then next slide here. Supertech faces certain challenges. So one of these challenges is managing compatibility issues during software updates. And then another is addressing malware and increasing attempts. So although Supertech uses enterprise-grade antivirus software, it still has some challenges in addressing certain malware and increasing attempts. And also, it also has a problem of training its staff to ensure that they are abreast with diverse OS environments.
I'm going to be talking about the solutions that have been implemented by Supertech. So first of all, they have a 24-hour support, technical support. So they have a dedicated help desk available to address any technical issue anybody has. So anytime you have a technical issue, you can just give them a call. 24-hour services they have for you, they have available. Okay. So they also have cybersecurity training. So employees undergo regular training regarding security threats. So as time goes on, new threats come along. So maybe today there's this particular threat, man-in-the-middle attack. Maybe tomorrow there will be another attack. So as time goes on, the employees are being trained on the recent attacks that are available and how to combat those attacks. So those are the control updates. Windows Server Update Services. It's also used for selected updates to mitigate compatibility concerns. Okay, now we'll go to reflections. So key takeaways: balancing security usability in critical OS selection. Also have automation. Automation is increasingly important in IT. Okay, so basic tasks can be automated using Python automation. Okay, so that is going to make tasks that would have been otherwise done manually. Tasks that would have been otherwise been done manually are going to be done automatically. No human effort will be needed. Okay, so also have a structured maintenance helps to minimize downtime and optimize performance. So I have a screenshot of our Q&A with Supertech Web. We're all present. Okay, so we'll come to our conclusion. Supertech effectively combines Linux and Windows systems with robust security measures to maintain a reliable IT environment. Their infrastructure aligns with industry best practices. Okay, so all the industry best practices are being catered for in Supertech. Thank you, and this is the end of our presentation.